Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install BlackArch Linux 2023.05 on VirtualBox. First download the BlackArch. So go to official website blackarch.org. Hit enter. Then click on downloads. Scroll down. See here we have the ISOs, OVM images and different options. So select ISOs. See here we have three types of ISOs: full ISO, slim ISO and net install ISO. See here the full ISO contains a complete functional BlackArch Linux system with all available tools in the repo at build time, and slim ISO contains functional BlackArch system selected set of common well-known tools and system utilities for pen testing. And net install ISO is a lightweight image for the bootstrapping machine with a minimal set of packages. Okay, I'm going to download slim ISO. You can click on the slim ISO to download, or you can download by using torrent link. Either is same. So click on here. See, download started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 5.5 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded by using torrent link. Okay, now open Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to install Oracle VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. See, I have these many virtual machines. So to create new virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Then provide the name. The BlackArch I am giving. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the enough space. New folder, give the name, hit enter. Select the folder. Then ISO image, select the downloaded ISO file. See here I have the BlackArch Linux Slim 2023.05 ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then see, once you selected, type selected as Linux, subtype as Arch Linux, and version is Arch Linux 64-bit. Then hardware, by default it is selected 1 gigabyte. I am giving 4 gigabytes. It is up to you. Number of CPU cores 2. Then hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Okay, still if you want to modify any one of them, you can select them. Okay, or we can also modify settings by clicking on finish. Still if you want edit settings, right click and select settings, or select it and click on machine and settings, or select it and click on settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is BlackArch Linux Slim ISO, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press right control button from your keyboard. See, cursor is released. The default password for the live user is BlackArch. Hit enter. Double click on whether we will get full screen or not. Okay, see, now we got the full screen. Okay, see, if you want to use this as for test, you can use, but if you want to install permanently, see here we have the install BlackArch. Right click and click on execute to install it permanently on VirtualBox. Click on it. Now we have to provide the same password, that is BlackArch, and click on authenticate. Now select the language from the list. I am going with American English. Then click on next. Then here we have to select the region and zone. So select region from this list and select the zone. Okay, or you can select on the globe. Suppose if you want to select US, you can select here. See, then selected region as America, zone as Denver. You can select from this list. Okay, so I am from India, so select it and click on next. keyboard model, I am going with the default. Then language also, I am going with the defaults. That is English and default. Then click on next. Now select the erase disk. See, these are the storage information. I am going with the erase disk because this is fresh installation. If you want to configure manually, click on manual partitioning. I want to install it entire on this, so select it and click on next. Now we have to set up user. So I am giving user full name as R2 schools, and this is the username. If you want to change the username, you can change. Then this is the computer name. Computer name or host name is same. I am going to give it as BB BA BlackArch 2023 VM. You can change this computer name after installation also. Then provide the password for this user. Then see, if you want to use this password for the administrator account, you can select checkbox. Otherwise unselect and you can provide the separate password for the administrator. It is up to you. I am going to use same this user password for the administrator account. So selected this checkbox. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then you have to click on install. Or if you want to modify, you have to click on back and you have to go to the section and you have to modify. Then we have to again click on next. If you are okay with all the settings, then you have to click on install. See, installation has been started. This may take time. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. So I will resume and I will show you how to restart the system, and we will perform the post installation steps. See, installation is completed. Okay, now go to VirtualBox manager. Now we have to remove this ISO file. Right click and click on remove disk from virtual drive. Otherwise click on force unmount. If you don't remove ISO file, it starts the installation again. Okay, so select this checkbox, that is restart now, and click on done. Hit enter. See, now username is changed to R2 schools that we have created. Then provide the password that we have given for this user. Before we were having installed BlackArch Linux on desktop. Now that icon is gone. Now click on menu, click on all applications. See, here we have a number of applications. See, if you click on BlackArch, see here we have different sections. Click on all applications. Now open terminal. Search for terminal. See, here we have the terminal emulator. Click on it. Now verify the version of the BlackArch that we have installed. More /etc os-release. Hit enter. See, here we have installed BlackArch Linux and its version is 2023.05.1. Okay, Q to quit, Control A to clear screen. Now update the packages by running the command sudo pacman -capsys u. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Type 5 and hit enter. Instead of every time we need to give Ctrl C to cancel, just give Y here. See, it is checking all. Okay, again Y. Okay, we have to give Y for all. Ctrl C, again give Y. See, it is updating all. Okay, so this may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install BlackArch Linux 2023.05 on VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.